In this video I will show you how to repair broken document taken with a mobile camera and turn it into a scanning document. Open Photo in your Photoshop. Unlock the layer. Go to Crop Tool, select Perspective Tool, select your photo you want crop. After finish selection, press Enter. Go to Image menu, click Image Rotation, rotate your image as you need. See, now the photo are cropped and look like a scanned document. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Thank you.